guitar. Now he's playing the guitar.
Oh, the baby's playing the guitar?
Yeah.
Ooh.
And listen.
Can you look for more flowers?
Look at a man.
Ooh, he's going to get ready to play golf ball.
Yep. Like Daddy.
Do you play golf ball?
No. I play golf ball in the house.
Oh. And Daddy plays golf ball outside the house?
I'll start my game. Look at that color.
What color is that flower?
What is it?
Ooh, I don't know. Let's go look for some more flowers.
That one?
What color is that one?
Oh no.
Yes, you do.
Red.
It's pink.
Pink.
Pink like what?
Like, I'm going to make the color pink.
And then, ooh, look at all these flowers.
These flowers.
What color are these flowers?
Pink.
Pink también. Hijo, you have to walk faster or else I'm going to step on your cake. What color are these flowers?
These flowers?
No, those flowers.
Pink.
Pink.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
Pink. And I'm going to do flowers.
What color are those flowers?
Pink.
Pink también, lots of pink flowers.
And I'm going to do flowers.
What color are those flowers?
Oh no.
Light pink.
Like pink.
Oh, that's nice. Why'd you do that? Huh? Why did you do that?
Boom.
Hmm.
Boom.
You get me.
Mom, don't get the picture.
Why not?
And the picture is the book. Those two pink. That one.
Lots of pink.
Lots of pink.
What are you doing? Are you walking Athena?
Boo!
Hi, Athena.
Boo, Mom!
Boo, Troy.
Mom, I choose you. I'm Batman.
Oh, sorry. Boo, Batman.
Mom, choose you.